Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create custom autofill list in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So probably everyone knows that Excel has an autofill function for numbers, days of the week, months, and so on. If you want to know more about autofill, there is a great video about it on the channel. What if we have data that we use every day, such as a list of employee names or the title of headers, whatever? We can copy them every time, or even better, create our own autofill list. Click File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to the General section, and here we click the Edit Custom List button. As you can see, there are already several lists with months and days of the week that cannot be deleted or edited. But we don't need to. We need to create our own list. Select a new list and, for example, create a simple list with fruits. We will enter several fruits separated by commas. Great, click Add and our list appears among the custom list. Now let's create a list of names and a list of headers. This time we will not enter all the items in the list manually, but use the import function. Click on this arrow button, then select the range of cells in which the data we need. That is, the names. Confirm the selection. And to save the list, click the Import button. We do the same with the list of headers. Fine, the custom lists are created. Click OK. But how can we use these lists now? It's very simple. We enter the first word of the list, so that is an apple, and drag the autofill marker down. And all the fruits that we entered into the custom list appeared. Exactly the same with names or headers. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.